I have a little bit of surprise today, and it just showed up last night. This is on the What's up, guys? So today I'm pretty excited. Obviously, many of you know me for four rotors and RX-7s and all kinds of crazy rotary stuff all the time. Maybe see me on YouTube or on Facebook or on websites and so on and so forth. But aside from that, I do dabble into different things. And you know, when you do the same kind of avenue over and over again, sometimes you want to do something a little bit different. And so maybe you guys have also seen my Mustang, which I'm going to do a full feature on that, and maybe I've already done it. I'm not sure what order I'm going to release some of these videos in, but today is a little more exciting for me because one of my, I guess, greatest things I've always wanted and try to tackle and learn about was semi-trucks. So I have a little bit of surprise today, and it just showed up last night. This is on the Logan Insanity corner, my 1960 Kenworth. So this is a narrow nose Kenworth. As you can see, maybe some of you can't envision what I'm envisioning, but I really like it rough like this. This is definitely something that greatly appeals to me. I mean, obviously the original bumper is still here that someone's added on to. The grill's in pretty rough shape. I do have the hood ornament for it, actually. Previous owner started sanding this down. That's why you kind of get this weird green color going on. This is like gel coat underneath the, after the fiberglass is applied. This is a whole fiberglass hood, original from Kenworth. The bodies on these were actually made out of aluminum. So really this truck is very much aluminum and fiberglass. Even the frame actually is totally aluminum. This has been stretched a little bit. They were, I guess, going to make it into like a water truck at some point. So they extended these frame rails right here, which I'm going to remove those, which are a little unsightly. You see, we got some axle seal issues leaking. These are just some retread tires, but I got big plans for this. I want to make it really cool, and this is kind of like a dream of mine, I guess, to restore an old semi truck like this. And basically, I want to get rid of this exhaust. I'll probably do straight pipes, get rid of this frame right here, go back to a body mount. This is the actual mounts for the stacks. This would be another step side here that I got to kind of recreate, probably refabricate that. It's missing its mirrors, so I need to get some new mirrors for it. But on his way over, it was about an 80-mile drive. I actually found this in Ohio, of all places, and it was the right year, the right price, and the right engine. Of course, on its way over, she blew a tire. They had to pull it backwards because right now it's stuck in gear. The rear brakes were locked up. So 2 miles from my shop, it blew a tire. This was on the front. We had it on the side of the road, kind of emergency style. Switch the rear tire to the front. So now I got a front tire. That's actually a rear tire, but I finished getting it here. And then the most exciting thing is under the hood, which is a Detroit. So under the hood, we have a Detroit 8V71. It's running pretty good. It has, I think, a cylinder that's burning some good oil. The exhaust, you know, I can see some residue. But these engines are famous, you know. They really did, they say, won the war because they used them in everything. They're just very reliable. And nothing to me sounds like a two-stroke Detroit. I mean, the four-rotor engine sounds cool, and you know, high-strung RB26 sounds really cool, but two-stroke, 8-cylinder Detroit V8 engine does sound all unique to itself. This actually runs. This runs pretty damn good. some batteries for it today and fire it up, and I'm basically going to start doing some elbow grease on it. I'd like to see if I can't polish up the chrome a little bit on the grill, maybe shoot some paint on the bumper and hack off the back of that frame like I was talking about, and then get tires for it. And then from there I'm going to work on getting it stuck out of gear, because right now it's stuck up on the parameter. So these are dual stick. This is a dual stick transmission, so the main transmission's a 4-speed and the auxiliary transmission's a 4-speed, so they call it a 4x4. Gives it 16 gears total. Air horn's missing. All the interior is pretty well missing. Not that these had much interior in the first place. I mean, the door panels are metal. The dash is all metal. The original gauges are still in here, which would be cool to refinish these maybe, if they can still be working. If they don't work, I can always get, you know, like an updated kind of gauge. I'll pop right in there. But it's got the old fan, original steering wheel, which maybe I can find somebody that can restore that for me. Seats, I'm probably going to go a little more modern. Old looking but modern. Has some air ride on there, a little more comfortability. So yeah, that's kind of what I'm working on at the moment. Shot's great. Yeah, so this is the 1960 Kenworth. It's a little windy out here and I think it's about to rain, but I'm going to see what I can tackle. Hopefully get some nice work done on it today. That's about all I can think about right now. Probably going to go with a new chrome front bumper. The hood is hefty. She shuts. And I got the air cleaner off. The air cleaner is actually a wet oil. It's an oil bath. The air filter is an oil bath air filter. So it is kind of old school. Pardon the mess around here, but yeah, this is kind of the bottom. Well, this is the upper half actually. And this is some of the supplies I got. Got some vinegar, got some primer paint, Sawzall blades, scouring pads, aluminum foil. Basically, this is all the stuff you need. I'm going to kind of do a comparison between Coca-Cola and vinegar and see which one does better on the chrome to come back to life. It'll be interesting to see. And this is the oil bath itself. You actually put oil inside of that, and then this air filter goes inside of there, and then you get your whole canister. It's really interesting. So this is what I was talking about, those license plates. So found this Wyoming, Illinois, Connecticut. Now granted, they're not the right year. I mean, but it is in the 70s, and this truck is 1960, and there's a very good chance it is out on the road in the 70s easily. I mean, that's not uncommon at all. This is by far my favorite one. This is going to be cool. But these 3 plates, and I got 2 more that are kind of old school in the 70s. And Allie, she's excited about it too. But yeah, that's the license plate of some of the ones I'm going to put across the front bumper.